Today, we will talk about how to make a go bag. Let's have a look at the details. A go bag is an emergency preparedness bag that you pack in advance, but hope you never need. These bags are useful in situations that require a hasty evacuation. Your emergency kit should be self-contained in one small or medium-sized bag, and should contain enough non-perishable food and potable water for you and your family to last several days. You should also pack some tools, like a flashlight and a Swiss Army knife, and some extra clothing and blankets. The first step is collecting emergency supplies. Purchase a heavy-duty duffel bag or a suitcase. For your go bag, you want a bag that is large enough to carry the necessary items, but not be filled to the brim. Purchase necessary food items. You will also need to bring a 3-day supply per person of non-perishable food. Get potable water and/or a water filtration method. You need to plan on bringing 1 gallon of potable water per day per person, or a portable water filtration system. Pack practical tools. For your emergency kit, try to think of all the scenarios that you might need to prepare for. You'll need tools and other items to help you deal with these emergent situations. Pack extra clothing and blankets. In order to protect yourself from the elements, you'll need to bring extra clothing items that will help you if you are stuck outdoors. Bring camping supplies if possible. If you anticipate that you'll need to sleep outdoors during an emergency situation, consider bringing camping supplies like a tent and sleeping bags for each member of your family. Bring necessary sanitary products. You will still need to take care of your sanitary and hygiene-related needs while you're stuck outdoors or away from home for an extended period of time. Pack all of your necessary medications and prescriptions. Bring any medications or prescription items you might need while you're away from home. Bring important paper items in sealed plastic bags. You may want to include copies of important documents, a paper map of your area, and some extra cash in your go bag. The second step is packing the go bag. Pack the heaviest items first. The bulkiest items should line the bottom of your bag. Put clothing in resealable plastic bags to store your clothes inside your go bag. This will ensure your clothes stay dry in the event of a flood. Organize everything in your bag. To avoid squishing damaging items in your bag, you should try organizing everything accordingly. Packing the heaviest items first, in the bottom of the bag, will help. Then you can add things according to weight after that, with the lightest items on the top. Store food goods in plastic or metal containers. If you have food items, other than canned goods, you need to store them in plastic or metal containers. This will help keep the food items from spoiling or being invaded by pests, as boxes of food or free-floating food items can be easy targets for insects or animal scavengers. And the third step is storing the go bag. Store the bag in a cool, dry place. Food items need to be stored in certain conditions to avoid spoilage or contamination. If your go bag contains food items, keep it in a cool, dry place away from vents or doorways that could expose it to gusts of heat or cold. Put the bag somewhere that is easily accessible. If you ever need to grab your emergency kit, it will be because something is happening and you need to act quickly. Put your bag somewhere in a place that you can locate swiftly in a rush out the door. Keep it out of reach of children and animals. You don't want to grab your bag on your way out the door in an emergency situation, only to realize later that your dog chewed through the fabric to get some of the food inside, or your child thought the flashlight was a toy and drained all the batteries. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.